Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Allied School YouTube channel. This video is for class 1. Subject is English. Dear students, I hope you have done your homework. Very nice. Today we will learn Unit 2. Monsters. Yes, monsters are a big, giant character, but imaginary character. Not real. Okay? Not real. And we will learn lesson 1. Listen and speak. Yes, you have to listen and then you have to speak. Listen something and then you are able to speak. Practicing, listening and speaking. Okay. Now lesson 2. In lesson 2 you will learn about phonics and words. Phonics means sound of the words or sound of the letters. Phonics means sound of the letters. Okay. Now here, this is the page of your book, part of a page of your book, page 8. Okay. Complete the dialogues using the words in the box. Complete the dialogues using the words in the box. Complete the dialogues using the words in the box. And what are the words? Book, here, please, thank you. Book, here, please, thank you. Book, here, please, thank you. Okay. Now you know what is a dialogue. Dialogue means conversation or talking between two persons. Okay. Dialogues means conversation or talking between two persons. Okay. Like when you talk to your father, when you talk to your mother, okay, they are called dialogues. You question, you make question, you ask question, and then your father or mother replies. Okay, they are called dialogues. Okay. Now you can see here, this is a monster. Okay, this is called monster, and this is a person, that is a man sitting, who is sitting. Okay, and you know that man is holding a book, and I think he is holding a newspaper. Okay, and you know this monster wants to read. This monster wants to read, so he asked that person, please give me a book, please give me a book, please give me a book. Then that person is very nice. He replies, here you are, here you are, here you are. Then you know monster becomes happy. He is very happy. He replies, thank you, thank you. Okay, they are the dialogues between monster and that person. Okay, please give me a book, please give me a book. That monsters asked that person, please give me a book. That person replies, here you are, here you are. Yeah, this is the dialogue of monster, and this is the reply. This is reply of that person. Here you are. He is giving that book to that person, and then say, reply, here you are. Then that monster replies with happiness. He got happy. He became happy, and he replies, thank you, thank you. Okay. Now comes to next. Now use these words to talk with your friend. Please give me a pen. If you have no friend these days due to coronavirus, you can talk with your father, mother, sister or brother. Okay, please give, for example, pen. If you need pen, if you need a pen, if you want a pen, you say, please give me a pen. Then your brother and sister or father or mother replies, here you are, you then say thank you. Okay, now for glass, how will you say when you need a glass? Please, please say, tell me. Yes, please give me a glass. Please give me a glass. Here you are. Then you reply, thank you. If you need a pencil, if you want pencil for writing, how can you say? How can you ask? How can you request? How can you request? You request like this, please give me a pencil. Please give me a pencil. Then if I give you a pencil, I say, here you are, here you are. Then you reply, thank you. This is a great manner. In reply, you say thank you. Clear? Now comes to next. Oh, very good activity. Act out these words: angry, happy, sad, sleepy, afraid, thirsty, hungry. Okay? Angry. What is angry? When you get angry, you are very frustrated. You are very nervous. You feel unhappy, angry. Look at that boy. He gets angry. Okay? He gets angry. When you tease somebody to you, when you tease, okay, when you disturb anybody, you get angry. Okay? You get angry like that boy. Okay? Like that boy. Now comes to happy. Oh, I'm very happy. I'm very happy. When you get something, when your father or mother give you something, your favorite thing, you get happy. You feel happy. Yes, you feel happy. Yeah. Sad. Oh, my mother has gone. So I'm very sad today. Sad. Hmm. That boy feels sleepy. He's going to bed. Okay? He is going to bed. Oh, look at this snake. That boy gets afraid. He gets scared, afraid. Because a snake is very dangerous animal. Dangerous means reptile, okay? That boy feels thirsty. Thirsty. Yes, he wants water. He wants water. Okay? That boy feels hungry. He is hungry. So he wants some food. He wants some food. Okay? Yes. Now listen to your teacher, and I am your teacher here. Write a number beside each word in exercise B. Okay? Now, students, listen to me carefully. Okay? Then you have to choose the word. First, we read all these words: angry, happy, sad, sleepy, afraid, thirsty, hungry. Angry, happy, sad, sleepy, afraid, thirsty, hungry. Okay? Yes, listen. I want some water. I want some water. I feel. Tell me, hurry up. I want some water. Yes, I feel thirsty. Yes, this is number one. Okay, now listen to me again. Everything is good. Everything is good. I feel. Everything is good. I feel. Yes, happy. Everything is good. Nice. So I feel happy. Okay. Now listen again. I want some food. Hmm. I want some food. I feel. When you want some food, how do you feel? Yes, you feel hungry. You feel hungry. Okay? Oh dear, help me. Oh dear, help me. I feel, yes, I feel afraid. Yes. Oh dear, help me. I feel afraid. Yes. Then I'm not happy. I'm not happy. I feel sad. Yes, sad. I feel tired and I want to sleep. I feel sleepy. Yes. A ball broke my window. I feel very angry. Yes. A ball broke my window. I feel very angry. Yes. Angry. Okay. Yeah, this is the next lesson number 2. Okay, phonics and words. First, we read this question. Read the words with the er and y sounds. Match the pictures to the words. Again, read the words with the er and y sounds. Match the pictures to the words. Read the words with the ER and Y sounds, match the pictures to the words. Now first we read all these words: flower, flower, monster, water, sister, brother, mother, father. Again, flower, monster, water, sister, brother, mother, father. Flower, monster, water, sister, brother, mother, father. Read these words: happy, angry, sleepy, hungry, teddy, mummy, daddy. Happy, angry, sleepy, hungry, daddy, mummy, daddy. Happy, angry, sleepy, hungry, daddy, mummy, and daddy. Now, student, you have to match. This is a flower. This is a monster. This is monster. This is sister. This is brother, and this is water. Okay. This is father or daddy. Okay. Also called daddy. This is mother or mummy. Okay. And this is daddy. Oh, it looks sleepy. He feels angry. He feels happy. And he feels thirsty. No, hungry. He feels hungry. Okay. Now we have to match like this. Pick up your pencil. Hurry up. Now, sister. Yes, match. Okay. Then brother, match. Then mother, flower. Then flower. Okay. Flower. Then monster. Yes. Then water. Okay. Sister, brother, mother. Yes, mother. And father, like this. Okay. Now here comes here happy. Yes, happy. Happy. Angry. This face looks angry. Okay. Now sleepy. Done. Hungry. Yes, hungry. Teddy. Teddy bear. Okay. And then mummy. Yeah, this is mummy. Then daddy. Okay. Can you solve? Can you match the pictures to the words? Yes, like this. Okay. This is very easy. Okay, complete the words using ER or Y. Complete the words using er or y. Look at this picture. Have you remembered Fizza's brother? Yeah, this is Fizza's brother. Okay, Fizza's brother. Yes, here what we put? Er or y? Brother. What's the spelling of brother? Brother. Here R sound. Brother. Brother is sleepy. Fizza's brother is sleepy. Here put we put here we put here er, yes, and here we put y. Fizza's brother is sleepy. Fizza's brother is sleepy. Okay, now comes to next. Number two, the monster. Yes, monster. The monster is angry. Yes. Oh, like this. He looks very angry. Oh, he gets angry. The monster is angry. Here you have to put er. Yes, er. And here you have to put y. Yes, the monster is angry. Okay. Tell me the spelling of monster. monster. Or what's the spelling of angry? angry. Okay. The third one. Look at this. This is mummy. Mummy is happy. She looks very happy. Mummy is happy. We put here y. Mummy is happy. And we again put here y. Mummy is happy. Okay, mummy is happy. The fourth one, this is the last. Teddy is drinking water. Yes, this is Teddy. Teddy is drinking water. Yes, look at this picture. Teddy is drinking water. Okay, you put here y and here you have to put er. Yes, water. What's the spelling of water? Tell me. Hurry up. Spelling of water. Spell water. water. Yes, you put here er. Now this is the last question of your book, of your today lesson. Label the pictures with the words in the box. Yes, label the pictures, okay, with the words in the box. What are the words? Ear, mouth, tail, wing, eye, leg. Read all these words. Ear, mouth, tail, wing, eye, leg. Ear, mouth, tail, wing, eye, leg. Yes, this is a cat and this is a parrot. Okay, this is a parrot and this is a cat. Yes, tell me, what is this? Ear, okay, and this is eye. And this is mouth. And this is, leg. This is tail. This is a tail of a cat. Tail. Again, ear, eye, mouth, leg, and tail. Hurry up, tell me. Now I point and you tell me. What? Yes, eye. What? Ear. Very good. What? Leg. Very good. And what is this? Tail. Very good. Now you have to write here, dear students, here you have to write ear. Yes, ear, because you label here. Labeling means you have to write what part this is. What part this is, you have to write here. Okay, they are the parts of a body. Okay, they are parts of a body. Like us, we have nose, we have eyes, we have ears, we have mouth. Okay, now label this one eye. Yes, eye. Then label here leg. Yes, tail, and then leg. Yes, okay, clear. This is called labeling. Okay, now comes here, this is a parrot. I, you know, this is a I. Yes, it is wing. You know, wing. With the help of wing, parrot flies in the air. Yes, with the help of wing, a parrot flies. This is called wing. And what is this? This is tail, like this. It is a tail of a cat and it is a tail of a parrot. This is tail and this is leg. Okay, repeat. Eye, wing, tail and leg. Yes, eye, wing, tail and leg. Okay, we have done this activity, this question. Okay, I hope you have understood all these pages, all these activities. Thanks a lot. Now I'm going to talk to your parents. Guidelines for parents. Number one, practice the dialogues with your child given in A at page 8. आपने डायलॉग्स जो हमने बताया आपको शुरू में, प्लीज़ गिव मी अ बुक, हेयर यू आर, थैंक यू, आप कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट जो है बच्चे से अपने हाथ में ले लें, बच्चा फिर आपको कहेगा प्लीज़ गिव मी अ बुक और प्लीज़ गिव मी अ पेंसिल, प्लीज़ गिव मी अ पेन, प्लीज़ गिव मी अ रूलर, फिर आप ये कहें हेयर यू आर, देन वो आपको रिप्लाई में थैंक यू कहे। ये गुड मैनर भी वो सीखेगा। यू कैन यूज़ डिफरेंट ऑब्जेक्ट्स, फॉर एग्जांपल ग्लास, प्लेट, चेयर, बैग। यू, आप कहेंगे प्लीज़ गिव मी अ ग्लास, देन चाइल्ड हेयर यू आर, चाइल्ड जो बच्चा आपका है वो इस तरह अप्लाई करेगा, ही हेयर यू आर, ये लीजिए, हेयर यू आर का सेंस है ये लीजिए, और फिर आप जो है आप उसे रिप्लाई में कहते हैं शुक्रिया। तो हेयर यू आर के मीनिंग भी उसको आप गाइड कर सकते हैं। नंबर 2, ask the child to read all the instructions and he or she can read all the words with er and y। जो er के वर्ड्स हमने पढ़े और y से जो वर्ड्स एंड हो रहे हैं, जिन जिन वर्ड्स के लास्ट में y है और जिन वर्ड्स के लास्ट में er साउंड है, आप उसकी प्रैक्टिस करवाएं, रीडिंग प्रैक्टिस करवाएं, और जहाँ पे उनको हेल्प आउट करें, जहाँ वो नहीं पढ़ सके तो आप वहाँ पे उनको बताएं। नंबर 3, ask the child to complete A and B of Unit 2 Lesson 1। यूनिट 2 लेसन 1 में से ए और बी करवा दें, आप बाकी को स्किप कर दें। हमने वो डील जो किए हैं वो आप उसको करवा दें जो इस वक्त वीडियो में डील हुए हैं। और नंबर 4, आस्क द चाइल्ड टू कंप्लीट ए, सी एंड डी, बी को स्किप कर दें ऑफ यूनिट 2 लेसन 2। ओके, यूनिट 2 के लेसन 2 में से ए, सी और डी करवाना है आपने, और यूनिट 2 के लेसन 1 में से ए और बी कर। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो। जज़ाकल्लाह। अस्सलाम वालेकुम।